Okay, welcome back. So today we're going to be demonstrating the usefulness of autonomous agents such as Google CLI. We're going to be using it headless in the terminal to create what I shall try to use as a demonstration of its usefulness today. We're going to try and create a prompting application that makes creating a custom model with a prompt applied to it from Ollama very simple and easy. So I'm going to first load in Gemini. I already have the Gemini client installed, which is a very simple install. You can just go on Google and type in install Gemini CLI, and there's just a code you can copy and paste into the terminal, and then you just add your API key. So we're going to go ahead and launch you. All right, so now we have Gemini loaded in, and this is in the Android 16 terminal. Okay. I'm just trying to be specific. I know what I want. So when you're using these agents, it's important to not give it instructions in a form that you're expecting it to be able to read your mind. So like I'm giving it the basis of what I wanted to do, and now I'm trying to explain it. So I'm going to say it should actually let me go back on that. It should prompt the user I'm being really lazy. I'm actually making it so I have to do no typing. Select one of the Ollama models from a list detected local. Then and this is just a little bit extra. And I'm doing that too just to apply this one parameter that I want. So anyways, we're giving it, this is the instruction, this is the job we're going to give it. And the difference between using Gemini in your terminal and using Gemini from the website interface, he's actually going to be able to do these physical tasks. So like I'm not asking him to create code for me to copy and paste. I'm giving him a job and he's going to conduct doing this job. So let's go ahead and say enter. Actually, hold on. Yeah. I forgot. He doesn't need. Okay, so just so we're clear, whenever you're doing stuff doing stuff with Gemini and you're having it do physical tasks, if you're doing this on a computer with a user that actually has a password you have to type in, you want to include at the end of your prompt stating something like, if asked for a password, use, and then type in the password. But in this case, the Android 16 terminal doesn't have an actual password, so I don't have to tell him that. So I'm gonna just go back and resubmit that. He'll be able to physically do everything without having to be prompted saying that he doesn't have permissions. Yeah, that's a big ass name. I'm not typing in all that shit. And name Ollama maker .sh. Because what he was naming that shit to was like 3 whole words. That's a lot of typing. And I'll rename that later, but just for now, I'm gonna stop interrupting him. Let's see. So you want to read what he's doing, because sometimes he'll be doing something that you don't want him to do. That is like the only downside, but generally, he's pretty solid. Okay, and he's gonna give permission. And I'm doing allow always for some of these things because I'm not trying to waste tokens through a question prompt. If he could just, know from this point forward to just do this. I think I had a connection issue. Okay, so he said it was done. Let me just try Control D, Control G, Control G, L, S. So he made the thing there. So let's try bash Ollama underscore maker.sh. Okay, so now it's letting me select, and I'm gonna go with Gimma, option 5, and I'm gonna say okay. So on this prompt, I'm pretty much just doing a simple one. I want the model every time I refer to it or talk to it that it knows that its name is Mr. Wiggles. So that's the prompt we're going to apply. Please enter a name for your new custom model. We'll call him Wiggles. Okay. Ollama, run Wiggles. Now we're gonna say, what's your name? Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my God, that is beautiful. Feel free to like and subscribe.